Welcome. We're Phoenix Carbon, a disruptive composites recycler enabling a viable circular economy with these materials. And in particular, we focus on carbon fibre. I'm Rick Stewart, CEO, co-founder, a serial entrepreneur with several exits across automotive and aerospace. And with me today is Luca Frondoni, my CTO and co-founder, and the architect of our novel recycling solution. The problem with carbon fibre is it's very expensive and it's not sustainable.
Our technology makes the entire 120 billion composite market sustainable, thanks to our beyond state-of-the-art recycling process. Our vision is to make composite recycling as ubiquitous as aluminum recycling is today. Our first product is identical to what customers use today. Thus, we have perfect market fit. This product is 50% cheaper with 96% lower embodied carbon.
Our vision is to be the market leader in sustainable composites. So we'd be delighted for any investor or partner who wants to join us on this exciting, sustainable and impactful journey. We are Phoenix Carbon, the future of composite recycling.